In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find rental listings in the Zillow iPhone app. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can confidently browse rentals in just a few moments. First, open the Zillow app on your iPhone. When it launches, you'll typically land on a map with a few buttons along the top. This is your hub for searching and browsing homes. Give the app a second to fully load, especially if your connection is a bit slow. Next, tap the search bar at the top of the screen. This places your cursor in the field and brings up the iPhone keyboard. You might see suggestions appear right away, and that's normal. Zillow pulls from popular places and your recent searches to help you find what you need more quickly. Now type a city, neighborhood, or zip code. As you enter text, Zillow will show autocomplete results beneath the search bar. Choose the exact match that fits where you want to look. Tapping the result tells the app precisely which area to display. After you select it, the map and the list of homes will refresh to focus on that location. If you entered something by mistake, just tap the search bar again and correct it. The suggestions will update as you type. By default, Zillow may show homes for sale. To focus only on rentals, tap Rent at the top. You'll usually find it alongside other options like Buy. Tapping Rent switches the results so you're viewing properties available for lease, not for purchase. This is a key step because it filters out everything that isn't relevant to renters, keeping your search clean and on target. With rentals now on your screen, pick any place that catches your eye and tap the listing to see its full details. This opens a dedicated page for that property. Here you can swipe through photos to get a feel for the space and review essential information like monthly price, number of bedrooms and bathrooms, and approximate square footage if available. Keep scrolling to read the description, which often highlights features such as in-unit laundry, parking, or recent updates. You'll typically find details about lease terms, deposit expectations, and whether pets are allowed. The map view helps you understand the location in context, and nearby points of interest can give you a sense of the neighborhood vibe. And that's it. Open the Zillow app, search your desired area, switch to rent, and tap a listing to dive into the details. With these quick steps, you're ready to explore rental options on your iPhone with confidence.